Hello everyone, myself Ranish and I hope you all are safe. Today we are going to talk about confidence and how you can boost your confidence by following few tips. I truly believe that confidence is one of the most important thing in one's life. And if you are confident, you will definitely give your best and can achieve anything you dream for. So without wasting time, let's get started. Point number 1. Feel confident the way you look. It does not matter what you wear, which is something completely out of trend. If you are comfortable on what you are wearing and you carry it comfortably, then it's your game. It's not about looking good, but it's more about feeling good. And the moment you will feel good, your confidence level will definitely go up. Point number 2. Put yourself in uncomfortable situation. It is the hardest one but needs to be done. The more you'll put yourself in those situations, the more confident you will feel. It makes total sense. If you do this often enough, it will become natural. Something easy you have already done before, and hence you won't stress out much. Try doing this will definitely help you to boost your confidence. Point number 3. Take the first step. This is something I understood very late. I wish I could have done this earlier. Think about something which is on your to-do list since long and initiate the first step to get it done. I know it's gonna require energy and that vibe and it's be totally difficult, but trust me, once you start, the things will get much easier. This brings us to point number 4. Choose the right circle. Basically, don't hang out with the people who brings you down. No one needs that negativity around. You need to be smart enough while picking up your network. You should spend time with someone who will motivate you, guide you, or show you the correct path. Bad friend will always pull you down. This has worked for me and will definitely work for you too. Last but not the least, but the most important, practice. The more you'll do, the better you'll get. You need to understand this. No one in this universe is born confident. Confidence is something you can work on. My dear friend, you need to understand. Confidence is not a one-day game. You need to practice it regularly. And the more you make mistakes, the more you learn from it. So, these were the few tips which will definitely help you to grow your confidence. Try implementing these tips and do let me know was this beneficial for you or not in comment section. Share the video as much as you can. This might help someone to grow individually. Till then, stay home, take care of yourself. Thank you.